Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about day trading. More specifically, we're talking about gap trading and how gap trading is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy you're going to find across the markets today. In this video, I'm going to show you two examples of tremendous morning gap trades from today. Both these trades produced more than a 6.5% gain within the hour. We'll get to that in a minute, but first let's describe exactly what a morning gap trade is. When stocks are gapping higher or lower in the morning, it creates an opportunity for traders. And the opportunity is when traders can identify a specific price where these stocks will first be drawn to like a magnet and then have a price reaction from in the other direction. So I do a couple of things as it relates to the gap trading strategy. The first one is I teach a course where traders learn all the specific criteria in order to trade the morning gaps, how to be successful trading the morning gaps, which stocks does it work the best with, what criteria are we looking for, what type of volume are we looking for, how much of a gap higher or lower are we looking for at a minimum in order to qualify as a morning gap trade? And most importantly, how do you calculate the specific price where these stocks will first be drawn to and then have that price reaction in the other direction? Everything traders need to know in order to trade the gap successfully is found in the course at LazyGapTrader.com. Obviously, we're looking at one of the morning gap trades on the board where you can see we nailed the low of the day. But first, I want to describe the other thing I do, which is give traders an opportunity to get my gap trade sent to them at 9 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the opening bell even rings. Here's a copy of today's email. As you can see, it arrived at 9:01 a.m. and that's Eastern Standard Time. So this morning, we had 5 potential morning gap trades on the board. We only take the trades that hit the specific price level that we calculate and that's taught in the course. Otherwise, they're off the board. They become no trades. This morning, 2 of these stocks hit their specific price level and they became tremendous winners. The first one was NTLA. I say gap lower. Support levels are $16.46, $15.05, and $13.65. Stop and profit target is about 20 to 35 cents. Now, these are minimum profit targets. And in my course, I teach a specific strategy how we turn trades like this into risk-free, emotionless trades by taking advantage of the minimum profit target and letting the rest of a position take advantage of when the stocks run significantly higher. So we book some profits along the way, and then we turn these trades into risk-free, emotionless trades. The second one that hit its level today was LITE. Gap lower, support levels are $44.53, $41.30, and $38.08. Stop and profit target is about 30 to 55 cents. Again, minimum profit targets. Now, in addition, you can see where I give multiple price levels or support levels for these stocks. These are independent trades from one another. So for example, if a stock hits, for example, LITE 44.53 gives us the trade, later on at some point during the day, it may come back down and hit the 41.30. That's a separate an independent trade from the first trade. And it happens from time to time where we get multiple trades on the same stock, all these price levels given out before the market even opens for business. We're back on the chart of LITE, and let's understand exactly what happened. Yesterday, the stock closed all the way up at $51.75. The stock was getting smashed at the open, creating the exact opportunity that we're looking for. The stock opened lower and traded lower right into our $44.53 level, and you can see what happened. As soon as it hit that level, it made a low of $44.05, remaining above our stop loss limitation. As soon as it hit that level, the stock rocketed higher and kept going and still going higher. So in the first 40 minutes of trading, the stock already had made a high of $47.45. That's more than a 6.5% gain from the entry point in just 40 minutes of trading. And as you can see, the stock today has already hit a high of $48.65, and traders that employed my strategy where we turn these into risk-free, emotionless trades were able to squeeze as much profit as possible out of this stock on at least a portion of the position. Tremendous gain on LITE today. The next one we'll take a look at is NLTA. This stock closed yesterday at $18.30, getting the haircut at the open we're looking for. We identified the level of $16.46. And by the way, these are the same exact price levels that any trader that's taken my course at Lazy Gap Trader is able to come up with on their own. The stock traded into that price level, making a low of $16.33, just a little bit below the level, and as you can see, it found the bottom and then rocketed higher, and also within minutes, the stock was already at a high of $17.54, representing another 6.5 or 7% gain within the first 90 minutes of trading today. Folks, this is a strategy that you can use for the remainder of your trading career each and every day. Everything you need to know is taught in the course at lazygaptrader.com. Everything you need to know in order to be successful trading the gaps is found in my course. And here's the thing. The most important thing in the course that traders learn is why this works. Once traders understand why this strategy works and where these price levels come from, it gives them a different confidence level when taking these trades because it takes a lot of the guesswork away from their day trading. When taking these trades, you have a different type of expectation of what should happen at these specific price levels that you learn how to calculate in my course at Lazy Gap Trader. If you want to learn how to do this each and every day for the remainder of your trading career, come over and check out my course at lazygaptrader.com. I'm David Frost, and I can teach you everything you need to know in order to trade the gaps successfully.